then? A sandcastle? There's a baby sea turtle and a big sea turtle. A jellyfish, I think. I'm not sure what this is. I think it says I see you with those little eyes up there. What you think this is, Hailo? ABC frog? That's a good option.
Let's go see my sandcastle.
Okay, do you know what this is? A what? It is a jet ski. And then what's this? A whole city. It has a roadway, some castles, a place to park your boat, some houses, stairs. All right, let's try it. Let's go see the hippo first. Let's show them the hippo. Okay. It's a hippo in a moat. Hello. You want to do something cool with this hippo? Watch. Check it out. Oh, Hailo. You're on a hippo. Hailo, look at those cruise ships out there.
That's the Mickey Mouse one.
Get it, Ray. Get that bird, Ray. Oh, he flew away. Look at all those little birds. Look at the little baby. Say hi, baby. Hi, baby. Let's see it. It's still together. Whoa. You dropped it.
Let's get a clamshell.
Up close. Got these big shells.
Let's see Seagull.
They're all patiently waiting. You ready? Throw them.